Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.